Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna play against the Fox 9 player. Super fast game. 1 minute basic time and 15 seconds Boyomi. Yeah. My opponent is professional player. Yeah. Okay, let me focus from now. Tree is gonna attach. I got started Boyomi for 15 seconds and he left about 20 seconds after that he will be Boyomi as well. So I think this game can finish quickly, yeah, about in 30 minutes, I guess. Okay. Oh, maybe he was disconnected. He still left 30 seconds. Is it okay? Internet okay, right? Okay, alright. Oh, I can restart the game. That way. Hmm. Even white approach here. He just ignore. Okay, then I can defense here. I like it. When I answer, he will attach. I can push. When he connect, I can consume it. Seems position is not so bad. Instead of here, I was expecting him to have a pincer. I think this was not bad for me. Yes, I can consume it. Here is a little bit concentrated, I think. Yeah, even this Joseki isn't really good for him. Okay, this is right order. Right move. Later, this Kusumi is good for him. Good for both. Alright. It's time to Tenuki. He might continue to play. Here is even now good place for each other. Yeah, as I told you. He really want to Kusumi, I guess. So I just need to run out. Hmm. This is a vital point. I have to bother him is my turn. He has two answers. He can attach or block. Seems attach can be more attractive. I need to cut here. I need to punish. And then now the shape. Okay. I think it was literally over. How do you want to play? Yeah, he spent one boy me, which means he felt a bit difficult to answer now. Saving is not so difficult, but he shouldn't be surrounded by me. Maybe I think he's planning to just save there. You see? Is it available? Should I kill? Just censor. I don't know, just try. If I fail, that's okay. Even white doesn't have enough liberty, I guess maybe it will be possible. Okay, answer first. When the answer, I will invade here. And prepare for the capturing race. I think it's not easy. Yeah, he just didn't. How should I surround? When he answer, just do I need to stretch or honey? Okay, just stretch. He doesn't have two eyes. I'm ready to invade here next round. He must. He will stretch. I'm gonna Kusumi. When he surround, I will invade here. I think I'm faster than him. Okay, let me focus away. Yeah, obviously I'm faster. I think he was too over just now. Okay, how do you want to play? Even he has no timing to throw in here. I think white is captured. If we block, I can save. If we capture, I can just play here. Even this is not close to be cool, I think. How do you want to play? Okay, save. Down, down, down. Okay, I mean. Oh, it was so fast. Yeah, one time it was disconnected. Maybe he was too over. I think I can just have a review directory. Yeah. Let me make it. Sorry, cannot make it like that. Yep, I think this is good enough, right? Yeah. Okay, at the first time, I think I was expecting him to play this and pincer. Most of the time when you choose, when white decided to play this Joseki, however, white has to pincer one way. If I just defend here, he has to pincer this way, or at least he need to have such kind of attacking method. If like just as played here, white has to jump and prepare to pincer. If I answer, then he can pincer here. If I answer here, then he can pincer this way. No matter, just no upper one, lower one, both are okay. And this, I think white has to pincer here. This is right decision. And this is not really painful right now. This white is not really thick. Not really thin. So I guess this was a little bit wrong direction. So I felt that this was okay for me. Just I'm not sure whether I have to pursue him one more time. Such kind of move it seems very slow, but it will be very thick move. Even I can looking for the jump in the future, and it can be mistake. I need to ask to Lila. Yeah, when I get this move, it's quite painful because I have to take care more in the future. Just I stretch here. The reason why if I just move out and he prepared to invade here right now, it's quite annoying to answer. Yeah, like this he can save, and even I just connect, he can try to play such kind of a Tetsuji here. I can't really bother him. Now he can capture my group. Even though I just tried to cut one time. However, I have to capture. Maybe I need to trade again, but this is gonna be very big. So I just prepared to beat his vital point. I think this was right decision. If he choose this way, then it was long game. Yeah. Of course, he doesn't want to lose the base, but I don't think it was bad for white. Yeah, but just this was too much. Yeah, we get to find the vital point, but now the knight move worked. Even he wants to capture after that, he can't make anything actually. Maybe this can be the right decision, how he can save. But he has to spend one more move to save this group. And even now, the eye shape is not really happy. If I can make ladder, then I surround him. And if he is surrounded by me, then it can't be good for him. So he just decided to make the good shape. Which means, however, he doesn't want to save like that. I will be very thick. And even he has to spend one more move. But I think this is right decision. However, he has to say, yeah, but actual game, he wants to make better shape, just like when I connect, he wants to do it. But even this is not good, really. But I realized that this capturing race cannot be bad for me, so I just started to surround. And even you have to do it well for the capturing race. For example, if you are just trying to capture like this, white has a big shape, it may not work. Yeah. I'm not sure, I didn't think about it. And normally 4 shape is 5 liberties. I just have 4. Even I surround, I will be less liberty. Yeah. See? So this is the vital point how we can bother white. If white just answer, this shape is a very small shape. Now the liberty cannot compare to just now. If even black white tenuki, yeah. So if white answer, then black can do that. Now I made less liberty. Yeah, even now I think it's not even close. Yeah. So for this game, it's because the fast game. So I think yeah. I'm not sure he or she, but I guess maybe he. Here was the overplay, so I could beat. Yeah, it's lucky. I think I need to ask Lita whether this is my mistake. I just need to answer here or not. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for watching my video, my game and review. Then see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.